this is Jemiah Williams, and this is project 1 for the assignment Wiki. So let's get started. So this is my layout page, also known as my home page, encyclopedia. And right here on my left is my home, create a new page, and random page. So getting started right here, I decided to make it a little bit more colorful and added some emojis. Instead of it just being black and white, I thought I'd add some colors to make it more lively and decorative. So let's get started. This is the home page. And right here on my left, I have the option to create a new page. And right here is the content. And this is where you just create a new encyclopedia entry. And then this is where you just add all the stuff you would like. Right here on the side, you have a random page. For example, it took me to Python is the first option. Right down here, I have the option to go back to the home page, also known as all pages. I have the option to go back, and I have the option to do another random page. Then I have the option to do edit page. So let's say, for example, edit. Whatever I wanted to do. Let's say I decided to take the period out, for example. Save changes. It took the period out. Let's say I wanted to add the period back. Save changes. And then added the period back. Let's go to another random page, for example, HTML. Right here. So it gives you the ultimate different options. Let's go back to the previous page, for example. Okay, well, let's go all pages, back to the home screen. Okay, so this is back to my home screen. Now let's go into the different bullet points. Right here is the CSS, cascading style sheets. And if you tap on it, it gives you the definition of it. So the CSS is a language that can be used to add style to an HTML page. HTML, which basically is just a hyper for the markup language. And right here, I have the markup language that can be used to define the structure of a web page. It includes your headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and more. The most recent major version of HTML is HTML5. Then let's go back to the previous page, all pages. Then we have the Django. The Django is basically just a web framework written using Python, allows for the design of web applications that generate HTML dynamically. Let's say, for example, I want to tap on the Python link. It took me straight to it. And if I want to go back, there you go. Let's go back again, back to the home screen. Let's say, for example, I wanted to go to JIT. JIT is right here. JIT is a version control tool that can be used to keep track of versions of software project. GitHub is an online service for hosting JIT repositories. See that tongue tie? Let's go back to the home page. Let's say, for example, I couldn't find it and I wanted to go to JIT. It took me straight to it. Let's say I wanted to do the Django, for example. Took me straight to it. Okay, let's go back to the home page. HTML is right here. Then we have Python. Python is a programming language that can be used both for writing command line scripts or building web applications. If I want to tap random page, here goes Markdown. Markdown is a text to HTML conversion tool for web writers. Markdown allows you to write using an easy to write plain text format, then convert into a structurally valid HTML. All right. See how colorful and how beautiful my Wiki Project 1 application is? Okay, that's all for this is the Project 1 assignment for Jemiah Williams. And this is on September 29th, 2025. Thank you very much.